So first, just tell me your name and how you heard of Cellustrious.
My name is Eman Kilbrew, and I happen to be on Instagram, and I was searching for stem cell research and wanting to better my hair and myself, my self-esteem and so forth. And I happened to look at your site, and I was like intrigued and saw some before and after, and I saw some results, and for some odd reason I was attracted to the process and your page, and it looked like it was very real and sincere. So I'm here for the journey, and after meeting you I was inspired to come back and go through this with you, and hoping that I find the results that I need at the end.
Great.
Yes.
So far, would you recommend what you've experienced to a friend?
Absolutely. I felt very comfortable. You gave me great information. You said the pros and the cons. Very reassuring that the journey will be together. I do have my own responsibility that I have to uphold when I also am at home, and when then I come here, I'm hoping for the end result being the result I'm looking for.
Great.
Yes.
Thank you.